This demonstration is for the level 1 rapid infuser. We would use this anytime your patient would need fluid resuscitation. If hypothermia is a concern for your patient, you can also warm the fluid with this infuser. Supplies needed are the level 1 normothermic IV fluid administration set, several bags of the desired fluid, and the infuser. Place the bottom end of the long tube into the hole marked 1. Place the top part of the long tube into the hole marked 2. Secure it by pushing down the black lever. Open the door marked 3 and insert tubing. Close the door. Secure the filter into the slot marked 4. Close all IV clamps. Spike the IV fluid bags and hang them on the hooks inside the clear doors. Open the clamp above the drip chamber and squeeze the chamber to fill it halfway. Open the rest of the clamps and prime the tubing. After the tubing is primed, then close the clear doors. The infuser should begin to increase the warming temperature to a preset 41 degrees Celsius. Connect the IV tubing to the patient. To infuse the IV fluids under pressure, flip the switch above the IV bags from negative to positive. If the indicator lights are not green, you must troubleshoot the setup. Once the fluid is infused, turn the pressure switch from positive to negative. Close the clamp below the drip chamber. Replace the fluid with a new bag if needed. Make sure the bags are free of air. To turn off the infuser, press the square orange button.